Django test app error, got an error creating the test database, permission denied to create database. When I try to test any app with command, I noticed it when I tried to deploy my project using Fabric, which uses this command. I get this error. Sync the command seems to work. My database settings in settings.py.
When Django runs the test suite, it creates a new database, in your case test_finance. The Postgres user with username Django does not have permission to create a database, hence the error message. When you run migrate or sync, Django does not try to create the finance database, so you don't get any errors. You can add the created permission to the Django user by running the following command in the Postgres shell as a superuser. Hat tip to the Stack Overflow answer. Note, the username used in the alter user created command needs to match the database user in your Django settings files. In this case, the original poster had the user as Django. The above answer.
I have found interesting solution to your problem. In fact, for MySQL you can grant privileges for non-existing database. So you can add name test_finance for your test database in your settings. Start MySQL shell as the root user. And now grant all privileges to this non-existing database in MySQL. Now Django will start tests without any problems.
If the database is MySQL, then these two changes will get things done. 1. Open mysite/settings.py. Your database settings should have an additional test block as shown with project name _test. Two. Type the below command using MySQL command prompt or MySQL workbench to give all privileges to the user specified in settings.py. Now you can run the below command.
In the case of Postgres, the user must have created permission. See this documentation, this URL.
In my case, I don't know why grant privileges solutions don't work with Python 3.7.2, Django 2.1.7, and MySQL the 5th of June 2023. So I decided to use SQLite as a test database. After that, the tests can run without trouble.
Please